How to get gold notes on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To add gold notes on Instagram, you must follow these few things. First thing first, make sure your app is up to date. So if you are on iPhone, open App Store and update your Instagram app. Or else open your Play Store and then update your Instagram app. So after updating your Instagram app, open Instagram. Now go to your notes section. To do this, simply click on this message icon located on top right hand side of your screen. Here, on top of your screen, right below the search box, you can see this icon, Note. So simply click on that. As of now, Instagram has released certain keywords to get golden notes on Instagram. So if you want golden notes, you must be including those keywords on your Instagram note. So one of that is the word gold. So let me write this. I love gold. You can write whatever you want, but the thing is, you have to include this word gold on your Instagram note to make your note appear gold. Likewise, there are few more keywords that will help you to achieve golden notes on Instagram. So please check comment section for those keywords. So now simply click on share. And here you can see I have successfully got golden notes on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.